I am Mike Hickey, Director of Merchandising for the ScanSource Services Group, the newest business unit. I've been in the channel for 18 years. The last 12 have been with ScanSource. Prior to that, I had started my own company and I worked with a nationwide reseller in the barcode data capture world. So I've been working with partners like yourself for the past 18 or so years. We're excited to announce the ScanSource Services Group. Hopefully you got a chance to stop by our booth at the Expo yesterday and see a lot of the great services that we have, but also familiar faces. Mike Burns, who's the president of our business unit, Jim Palmer, who's the director of our configuration center, Tommy Maurer, who heads up our professional services sales team, and Tommy's in the audience right there today. So we're excited because all of us coming together, we feel like we have the resources, as Mike Bauer said yesterday, to really help you create opportunities in your business, to extend your capabilities, and our focus is on helping you increase your profit. And I wanted to touch a little bit about that today. We're not doing anything brand new. We've been providing these services for a number of years. Last year, we worked with about 700 business partners. Many of you in this room today, there's a lot of Avaya expertise that our team brings to the table. So we have a very good base of business with the Catalyst partners, but we also provide solutions and expertise across all of the business units. So we work with security, dealers, point of sale barcode, resellers, and system integrators in the video communications world. So we really focus on making sure that we have the services that help support our business units, but if you're thinking or if you have opportunities that come up that aren't necessarily Avaya focused or Catalyst focused, you can talk to us and see what kinds of professional services we have that might help you get into the security world or one of those opportunities. When we talk about having certification in all major vendors, we've got a lot of capabilities. Wi-Fi surveys is one area where we have a 100% guaranteed Wi-Fi survey report that we can put in your hands, and it's not only for an Avaya or Aruba, but across all the major wireless manufacturers that we sell, including Intermec and Motorola, Ruckus, Maru, Cisco. So we can help you with any of those opportunities in providing the right bill of materials for your deployment. And you might not think that that's a big deal, but I think the biggest deal about all the services that the ScanSource Services Group offers, or the biggest thing to remember, is we're not your competitor. We're there specifically to help you grow your business, and I think that that's the biggest differentiator between us and anybody else you could choose to partner with, that our focus is really on helping you grow your business. And we've got a number of different services, and won't hit them all today, but I definitely wanted to highlight a few so that you can get an idea of how we can help you extend capabilities in your business or increase your profitability. Our system integration team is located in our warehouse in South Haven, Mississippi. Their ISO certified configuration center and the team can basically take your solution and configure it right in our warehouse before it ships, saving you on DOAs, making sure the firmware's updated, saves you on shipping time. If you stopped by the Expo booth yesterday, you would have seen a pile of boxes that won't arrive at your door so that someone has to unpack and then repackage up. We do all that before you, saves you on the shipping costs. So right there's about a 30 to 35% cost savings in bringing your solutions to market. And we really take pride in the value that our configuration center can bring to your solutions. The newsletter that Catalyst sent out last week, there was an IP Office Release 8.1 offers related to our configuration center, so I encourage you to take a look at that. It's posted on the Catalyst website. Some great opportunities for you to really drive costs out of your business, and we're here to help you make that, to grow it. The other area I did want to touch on is network assessments. So we've heard a lot from vendors coming out with network readiness, and I think that our statement to you, or our thought to you, is with the bandwidth intensive voice and video applications that you're going and installing on customers' networks, it's just not worth the risk to have your customer frustrated with your service, you battling with a vendor partner about whose responsibility it is. Do the network assessment up front, create peace of mind for your customer. You increase your revenue because that's a service that you can sell to them, and you're driving costs out down the road because you don't have to do the troubleshooting after it. We're there to make sure that what you deploy, the solution that comes after that network assessment, is going to work. And so that's a service that we have talked to Tommy and his team about that. It really helps you create efficiency in your business. And one of the newer services that we have listed at the top there is Practice Builder. This is a service that we created really focused on if your business is majority of voice practice and you're walking away from data opportunities because you don't have the expertise or the resources to do it. Tommy and the professional services team said, hey, we've got system engineers and design architects and program and installation services that we can bring to the table to help our business partners take advantage of Avaya data networking opportunities and really grow revenue in their business instead of walking away from it. It's not open for everybody, but if you're interested, if that's an opportunity that you think, hey, we've really lacked those resources and we want to take advantage of it, talk to Tommy. The idea behind it is over the course of 9 months, we'll train and educate you enough so that you know what resources you need to get to build that practice in your business and really help you grow that area to complement your voice revenue. And the other part of it is you're paying for it by closing deals. So it's really designed to help you get traction in that data networking world and grow that area of your business. I put video on there, and we do have video installation services, but really I put that on there because it was more of a marketing focused area. So it plays into both parts. If you got a chance to stop by the expo yesterday, you would see us using video to help partners market their business. We've worked with vendors to create co-brandable videos. eTelemetry uses videos that we've created on their website, but you as a partner can brand those videos through our partner marketing group. So we really are working to help build a library of videos because it's easy to say, hey, we should put our customer testimonials or our solution stories on video, but it's harder to get into the details and execute it. We've got a team who has been doing that for vendors and partners for the past year, and we're really excited about where we are with that opportunity. Our marketing team really does do a great job, whether you're looking to build your brand or redo your brand, update your website, do a lot of things to help make sure that you're using the marketing dollars that folks from Extreme and Avaya and everybody here collects instead of just doing, hey, I've got to spend it by June 30th. If you work with our marketing team up front, we can put a strategic plan together to help you reach out for the next year to really execute a plan that will help you grow your business in a specific area. So that's an exciting place. And the last one, because time is probably running short, is education. We've got education services. I know that the IP Office implementation certifications for about 1,700 folks, the ACIS, is going to expire at the end of September. We've got classes that will help your team be ready to pass that test if they need a refresher or people need to take that class. But we've got a full complement of enterprise level classes as well. But our education team is hands-on. We really take the time to make sure that your team gets the knowledge that they need to be successful in deploying the Avaya solutions. So with that, I guess I wanted to leave. Thanks for coming to the conference and being a part of the launch of the ScanSource Services Group. We've got a website, ScanSourceServices.com. You can talk to any of your Catalyst representatives, and they can point you in the right direction, but we're excited to help you maximize your business.